Whilst Writing Helper can be used in a tab on your browser, as you can see here, it is in a Chrome tab, we recommend that you install it. It's a PWA, which stands for Progressive Web App. When you've got Writing Helper open in your Chrome tab, you look at your search bar, you can see this icon, which allows you to install Writing Helper. Our recommendation is that you do this. This works on Chromebooks, Macs, as well as PCs. Click that button to install, say install on the pop-up that appears. You're then presented with this, which you can see on your taskbar or your dock or shelf in Mac and Chrome, respectively. We recommend that you right-click here and pin this to taskbar, or do the same or similar function on whichever operating system you're using. That way, when you go away and come back, Writing Helper is always going to be on your taskbar or dock or shelf, and you can click that to run the product. Our final recommendation is to use full screen wherever possible. The reason the Progressive Web App approach works for Writing Helper is because it further helps you remove distractions from other Chrome tabs and other applications by using full screen with this button here on the top of the application. When you're in full screen mode like this, you can see all you have on your screen is Writing Helper. So when you're in a project and working through the 7 steps, you're only seeing what you need to see at that time to complete the work you're doing. There are no distractions, and we hope that by presenting only the tools you need when you need them, you'll be much more successful and productive and less overwhelmed and stressed when you put your writing together.